बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? आज बच्चों हम कॉनिक सेक्शन के 2 स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म्स ऑफ द इलिप्स करने जा रहे हैं। तो इलिप्स की 2 स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होती हैं। एक इलिप्स जिसमें मेजर एक्सिस एक्स एक्सिस की ओर होती है और माइनर एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस की ओर होती है, और दूसरा इलिप्स जिसमें 2 एक्सिस होती हैं, जो कि मेजर एक्सिस जो है वो वाई एक्सिस की ओर होती है और माइनर एक्सिस जो है वो एक्स एक्सिस की ओर होती है। तो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द इलिप्स इज एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1, where a is greater than b. This is the first standard form of the ellipse, and its rough sketch is like this. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. The graph of such type of ellipse is like this. This part is greater than this part. This is called major axis. This is center of the ellipse, and this is vertex A dash. These are the vertices of the ellipse, and these are the end point of the minor axis. And this is major axis and this is minor axis. And these are the foci. Focus, two focus. This is F1 and this is F2. And their coordinates are C, 0 and minus C, 0. And coordinates of the vertices are A, 0 and minus A, C. This is the sketch of the first type of ellipse. And the terms used in first type of ellipse are foci, which is the plural of focus, and coordinate of the foci are plus minus C, 0, where C is equal to A square minus B square square root. This is the formula to find the value of C. C square is equal to A square minus B square, where A is greater than B in case of ellipse. Either it is first type of ellipse or second type of ellipse. तो बच्चों C की वैल्यू जब आ जाएगी तो यहां पे हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, फोकाइज आ जाएंगे। वर्टिसेस आर these are the vertices, 2 vertices of the ellipse, and they are plus minus A, 0. These are the coordinates of the vertices of the ellipse, in which major axis lies on x-axis and minor axis lies on a y-axis. And now the new term which is used in the ellipse is eccentricity. So what is eccentricity? Distance from O to F1 is C, and distance from O to A is vertex, is a corresponding vertex is small a. Then the eccentricity is this ratio C upon A. C is smaller than A in case of ellipse. Therefore, eccentricity in case of ellipse is always less than 1. So, eccentricity E is equal to ratio of the distance O to A and O to F1, that is A upon C upon E. That is the ratio of O to F and O to A. Because OA is greater than OC, therefore A is greater than C, therefore eccentricity is always less than 1 in case of ellipse. So this is the formula to find the eccentricity. This is the first term, this is the second term which is used in ellipse, and this is the third term, and eccentricity is the fourth. And at last let us discuss the term lattice rectum in case of ellipse. ellipse में lattice rectum का क्या रोल होता है? lattice rectum क्या होता है बच्चों? ये जैसे ये फोकस है और ये मेजर एक्सिस है। यदि हम फोकस से जाता हुआ एक परपेंडिकुलर ट्रैक है, and let this perpendicular intersects the ellipse at two different points L1 and L2, then this distance L1 and L2 is called length of the lattice rectum. It is the lattice rectum of the ellipse, and the value of the formula of fifth formula is the length of the lattice rectum is equal to L1 L2, that is equal to B square upon A. This is the length of the lattice rectum of the ellipse. So these are the terms which are used in the ellipse and first standard form of the ellipse, in which center is always origin, foci are C, 0 minus C, 0, where C is equal to A square minus B square root, and coordinate of the vertices are A, 0 and minus A, 0. Length of the lattice rectum is 2B square upon A, and eccentricity is always unitless, and that is C upon A, which is always less than 1 in case of ellipse. The second or standard form of the ellipse. ये कोनिक सेक्शन का इलिप्स वाला टॉपिक है। दो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होती है और दूसरी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है, सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द इलिप्स इज its equation is x square upon b square plus y square upon a square is equal to 1, where a is always greater than b. So in this case the greatest term lies at the denominator of y square. A square is greater than b square. यदि यहाँ पे टर्म्स यदि ग्रेटर देन हो b square से, इससे तो हम कहेंगे ये सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द इलिप्स है. In this case major axis lies on y axis. So the rough sketch of such type of ellipses like this. Major axis is along y axis. This is y axis. Center of this ellipse is also again O, and foci lies on y axis. First focus F1, second focus F2, and their coordinates are 0, C, because on y axis always x coordinate is 0, and this is 0, minus C, at equal distance from origin both foci. Vertices are 0, A, and this is a dash, that is 0, minus A. These are the vertices of the second standard form of the ellipse. Eccentricity is same, value of C is same, A square minus B square under root. Eccentricity is also C upon A, and length of the lattice rectum का फार्मूला भी सेम ही होगा जैसा कि फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में था. तो इस प्रकार का जो इलिप्स है उसकी डायग्राम भी उल्टा हो गया. अब पहले वाई एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर मेजर एक्सिस थी, अब जो है मेजर एक्सिस जो है वो वाई एक्सिस के ऊपर है. तो सबसे पहले the कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ फोकाइज, फोकाइज हो जाएंगे +0, +-c, +c और -c। वर्टिसेस हो जाएंगे 0, +-a। These are the vertices 0, -a and 0, +a। एक्सेंट्रिसिटी हो जाएगी इसकी, E will be eccentricity will be is equal to C upon A, which is always less than 1. And the length of the lattice rectum would be same to same. Length of the lattice rectum will be equal to, the length of the lattice rectum will be this L1N, and that will be equal to 2b square upon A unit. The length of the major axis will be equal to 2a, and the length of the minor axis will be equal to 2b. Or in the first standard form also, the length of the major axis will be 2a and the length of the minor axis will be 2b. परंतु बच्चों इस केस में a निकलेगा y स्क्वायर के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर से, और फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में a स्क्वायर निकलेगा, a की वैल्यू निकलेगी x स्क्वायर के कोएफिशिएंट के डिनोमिनेटर से। तो यही इसमें डिफरेंस है। तो बच्चों ये है हमारी सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द इलिप्स। तो द लेंथ ऑफ 6th and 7th पॉइंट लिख लेते हैं इसका। द लेंथ ऑफ major axis is equal to 2a, and the length of minor axis, and that will be equal to 2b. So unit. So these are the two standard forms of the ellipse. तो अब बच्चों हम इनकी 1 by 1 इन दोनों की एप्लीकेशन करते हैं। तो ये बच्चों इलिप्स का टॉपिक जो है वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। आओ बच्चों अब हम दोनों स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ इलिप्स की एप्लीकेशन कर लेते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, it is the application of the first standard form of the ellipse. Find the length of the major axis, coordinate of the foci, coordinate of the vertices, length of the minor axis, eccentricity, and the length of the lattice rectum of this ellipse. This is the ellipse, or we have to find 6 things from this ellipse. So it is a square because it is greater, and it is b square. Comparing with x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. We get a square is equal to 36 and b square is equal to 60. Therefore, a is equal to 36 square root, that is 6, and b is equal to 16 square root, taking only positive sign, is equal to 4. Now, in case of ellipse, c is equal to a square minus b square square root, that is 36 minus 16 square root, that is 20 square root. This is the value of c. So first of all, the length of major axis will be equal to 2a, and that is equal to 2 into 6 is equal to 12. This is the first answer. Length of the major axis is equal to 2a, that is 2 into 6, and that is 12 units. The length of minor axis, that is equal to 2b is equal to 2 into 4, and that is equal to 8 unit. This is the length of the minor axis. The rough sketch of this type of ellipse is like this. This is the rough sketch of first type of ellipse, and here are vertices A1, A2 or A dash, F1, F2, and this is center, and these are the foci and these are the vertices. And coordinates are C, 0, minus C, 0, minus A, 0, and A, 0. These are the coordinates of the vertices of first type of ellipse. Now let us find the foci. Foci of such type of ellipse are plus minus C, 0, plus C, 0 and minus C, 0. And value of C is 20 square root. Plus minus under root 20, 0, and we can also solve 20 under root as 2 into under root 5, 0, plus minus 2 under root 5 into 0. Vertices are plus minus A, 0, and value of A is plus minus 6, 0. These are the coordinate of the vertices. Coordinate vertices भी आ गया, foci भी आ गया, मेजर एक्सिस भी आ गया, माइनर एक्सिस भी आ गया, रफ स्केच भी आ गया. अब बच्चों हम इसकी जो है वो एक्सेंट्रिसिटी निकालेंगे और लेंथ ऑफ द लेटेस्ट रेक्टम निकालेंगे. नाउ द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द फोकाइज आर द coordinates of foci F 0, plus minus C, that is equal to 0, plus minus 21 square root. These are the coordinates of the foci of this ellipse. The कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द वर्टिसेस आर. तो वर्टिसेस निकालने के लिए बच्चों हम क्या करेंगे? द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द वर्टिसेस आर, they are 0, plus minus a. These are the vertices, plus minus a, and value of a in this case is 5. Therefore, they become 0, plus minus 5. These are the coordinates of the vertices of this ellipse. The eccentricity is C upon A. The eccentricity E is equal to C upon A, and value of C is 21 square root, and value of A is 5. That is the answer of this question. This is the eccentricity 21 under root upon 5. This is the eccentricity of this question. The length of lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum, that is equal to, this is the length of the lattice rectum, that is L1, L2. That is equal to 2b square upon a, and value of b square is 2 into, and value of b square in this case is 4, and we get 2 into 4 upon 5, that is 8 upon 5 unit. This is the length of the lattice rectum of this ellipse, because value of b square, putting the value of b square directly 4 and value of a is 5, 4 to the 8 upon 5 unit. This is the length of the lattice rectum of such second standard form of the ellipse. तो इस तरीके से बच्चों आज हमने ये 2 स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म्स पढ़ी और उनके 2 एप्लीकेशंस की. दैट्स ऑल.